So, dear student, we have discussed about the systematic nomenclature system of the heterocyclic compound. And now we can understand this system with some important examples. So, first of all, we take this example. In this compound, you can see the heteroatom is oxygen and the ring is three-membered. So, the prefix for this compound will be oxa and stem will be ir and suffix will be iridi, and this suffix is made up from the stem ir. So the name of this compound is oxyridine because in the end of prefix is vowel a and in the beginning of stem is vowel I. So in this case we can remove this vowel, so the name becomes oxyridine. Now another example, in this compound you can see the heteroatom is nitrogen and again the three-membered ring which is saturated. So the prefix for this compound will be aja and stem will be ir and suffix is made from the stem will be iridine. So the name of this compound will be aziridine. Now we can see this example. In this case, the heteroatom is nitrogen and the ring is four-membered. So the prefix for this compound will be aja. Stem or middle name of this compound will be ete and the suffix which is made up from the stem will be etd and the name of this compound will be agtd. Now we can take this example. In this compound, ring is four-membered and heteroatom is nitrogen. So the prefix for this compound is aja, while stem will be ete and suffix will be ete and the name of this compound will be agete. Now we can take this example. In this case, ring is four-membered and heteroatom is sulfur. So the prefix for this compound will be thia. Ring is four-membered, so stem is ete and suffix will be olane, ethane, which is made from stem, so the name will be thetane. Now we can take this example. In this heteroatom is phosphorus, so the prefix is phosphor. Ring is five-membered, so the stem is ol and suffix which is made up from the stem will be OLE. So the name of this compound will be phosphol. In this case, we can see heteroatom is nitrogen and ring is five-membered. So the name of this compound will be aja plus ol is equal to azole. This is also known as pyrrole, which is recognized by IUPAC, although pyrrole is its tribal name. Now this example, oxa plus ol is equal to oxol, and name of this compound will be thia plus ol is equal to thiol. This compound also have name furane, which is its tribal name but recognized by IUPAC, and this compound tribal name is thiophene, which is also recognized by IUPAC. Now another examples. In this compound, you can see the ring is 8 membered and heteroatom is sulfur. So the prefix for this compound will be thia, plus stem will be oc, as the ring is 8 membered, and as the ring is saturated, so the suffix for this ring will be okene, which is made up from the stem. So the name of this compound will be thiocane. Another example. In this compound, you can see the heteroatom is sulfur and ring is 7 membered. So the prefix will be thia, as the ring is 7 membered. So the stem is E and ring is saturated. So the suffix will be epane, and the name of this compound will be thepane. So these are the some examples. Now we take some examples in which more than one heteroatoms are present. So in these two examples, you can see more than one heteroatom, that is nitrogen, are present. In this compound 2 nitrogen are present, and in this compound 3 nitrogens are present. So the suffix for this compound will be diaza, and for this compound will be triaza. Now the position of these heteroatoms should also be mentioned. For example, if we give number 1 to this heteroatom, then 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the Heteroatoms are present at the position number 1 and 3, which is mentioned before the prefix 1 and 3. So the overall prefix for this compound will be 1,3-diaza. Similarly for this compound 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this case heteroatoms are present at the position number 1, 3 and 4. So the prefix for this example 1, 3, 4, triaza. Now as we see that the ring are 5 membered, so the stem will be all and suffix will be OL. Similarly suffix for this compound will be all. So the name of this compound will be 1,3-diazole. This A. Similarly for this compound name will be 1, 3, 4 triazole. Now another examples in which more than one type of heteroatoms are present. For examples, now you can see two heteroatoms are present in this compound. One is oxygen and another is nitrogen. So in this case prefix will be according to priority rules, and according to priority rules oxygen will be preferred as it is present in the 16th group of the periodic table, while nitrogen is present in the 15th group of the periodic table. So the prefix for this compound will be oxa plus aza is equal to oxaja. Now ring is 5 membered and unsaturated, so the stem will be all and suffix will be all, OL, and name will be oxazole. H, oxygen is present at number 1 position according to priority rules, and nitrogen is present at position number 3. So the locant 1 and 3 also used before the prefix. So the overall name of this compound will be oxazole. Similarly, there is another example. In this case, heteroatom is sulfur and nitrogen. So the suffix according to priority rules will be thia plus aja is equal to thiaza, plus according to 5 membered rings stem and suffix will be all and name will be thiazole. Sulfur is present at position number 1 and nitrogen is present at position number 3. So the locants will be given 1 and 3, and the complete name of this compound will be 1,3-thiazole. Another example, so you can see in this compound there are two heteroatom nitrogen which are present at position number 1 and 3, and ring is unsaturated and 6 membered. So the prefix for this compound will be diazo. These heteroatoms are present at position number 1 and 3, so the locant 1 and 3 are written before the prefix diazo. So the overall prefix for this compound will be 1,3-diazo, and ring is 6 membered and unsaturated, so the stem and suffix will be -ene. So the complete name of this compound will be 1,3-diazine. It is also known as pyrimidine, which is its tribal name, which is recognized by the IUPAC. Another example is this. Now you can see in this compound 3 heteroatoms are present which are similar, and that is nitrogen. So the prefix for this compound will be triazo, and these heteroatoms are present at position number 1, 3 and 5. So the overall prefix for this compound will be 1,3,5-triazo, and again ring is 6 membered and unsaturated, so the stem and suffix for this ring will be -ene, and the complete name of this compound will be 1,3,5-triazo. 1,3,5-triazine. So these are some important examples of systematic nomenclature system of heterocyclic compounds.